So no more texting, I guess. Does that go for 24 hours or does it go to midnight? That's the next question.
You're entitled to your turn down service. You're going to smell the stones and let me know which stone you like. The stone will represent what your room will smell like in the afternoons. Then you're going to smell the soaps and let me know which one you prefer.
I love Earth. For me, Earth is the best one. For me.
This
And
one?
I like sensual.
Yeah.
Earth
Mm-hmm.
and the soap.
You like Earth?
Earth is nice. This is the nicest one.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
You can smell it if you wish.
Oh, okay. I think this one. It's not so
like that
strong.
one?
Yeah.
All right, no problem. You're gonna.
Welcome.
Welcome home. Welcome to Jamaica. No, it's Jamaica actually.
Jamaica, man.
Jamaica, man. So this is the bedroom. Wow, the bed. Snacks. We just arrived.
We have another Jamaican rum.
What time we arrived?
Oh, we got another wine.
Almost 6 o'clock.
Yeah, 5, 4-ish.
And they have a little TV here.
And we got tequila. Johnny Walker Red Label. Turns out I don't like Johnny Walker.
And then we have
We got coffee,
different kind of
creamers
drinks.
and sugar.
Did we order all of this or just
It comes with a
part of our?
certificate.
Can I see what it looks like?
You sure can.
So that's the
have a coffee maker.
Coffee maker.
And then we got instant coffees. And drip, I guess.
Alright. What's the bottom? There's nothing in there.
Nothing there. We got
And
beer,
then-
water, wines, Coca-Cola, Sprite.
Alright. So we're good to go.
Sauvignon Blanc. White wine.
Then this one is the closet. I think.
Printed it upside down. Alright, let's figure out how we're gonna charge things. So far, I haven't found any outlets. Oh, there's an outlet over by the table. There's an outlet right here. And a USB outlet. Okay. Now, this is reading, holy cow, it's a little loose. If you're gonna read at night, which means I don't know, turn that one on. Or do they both come out from the side? That's the back door. Oh yeah, they both come on, okay. I like it.